Welcome to our avocado processing factory. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see exactly how fresh, high-quality avocado products are made.
Keep coming straight back, slowly.
All right, lowering the forks now. Make sure that lock gets scanned before it goes inside.
Right here, bring it forward. Got it, looks good.
This one looks good, perfectly ripe.
Agreed. The color grading is excellent on this batch.
Check this one, it's too soft. Yeah, put it in the discard bin. The others look good.
Make sure those are ripe enough for the export batch.
Got it. Sending these down the line now.
This one is too soft. Put it in the reject bin. We need 50 more crates by lunch.
We have an anomaly on line 4. Check the throughput metrics.
The sensor array is showing a blockage here. I'm rerouting the excess.
Affirmative. Flow rates are normalizing now.
We're showing a spike on the humidity sensor.
Yeah. I just adjusted the flow rate. It's stable now.
the consistency readout here. We need to increase the flow rate slightly.
Here. Adjusting now.
The data looks stable.
Be careful with this one, it seems highly concentrated.
Noted. I'll run the analysis right away.
The structural integrity seems compromised here. Look at the fiber density.
Yes, the visualization confirms significant degradation in this sample.
Check the mixing speed on reactor 4. It's slightly below target.
Adjusting it now. Parameters are stable.
Sample 24B. Consistency is excellent. Vibrant green color. Ready for viscosity test.
The data confirms the deviation in lot 47.
Is the level above the threshold?
Marginally. We should reanalyze the secondary samples immediately.
I'm increasing the flow rate slightly. Keep an eye on the temperature.
Temperature holding steady at 25. Parameters are optimal.
The color saturation looks excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The viscosity is perfect too.
Look at the data on the screen here. It correlates with the microscopy results we found earlier.
Yes, the chlorophyll reading matches the vibrant green color.
Pasteurization ensures the safety and extends the shelf life of our avocado products.
Pressure spike on line 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now should stabilize.
Good. Temperature is holding steady.
Check valve 7, pressure is low. Adjusting now, looks stable.
Data confirms the flow rate is optimized.
seal integrity is perfect on this one, Mark.
But the label alignment on this one is slightly off.
I see that. Data confirms the defect. Nice catch.
Bring that stack over here. Watch the pallet on the left. Loud and clear. Setting it down now.
Check the color consistency on jar 42. Looks slightly lighter than the control, but within tolerance.